Another one of my favorite combinations is the pro hop to the floater. This is when you do your pro hop to get away from the second line of defense that stepped up for help, and then you put a floater up in the air before even the back line of defense can even gather up to block your shot. But it's all about reading. Let's check it out. So as I'm approaching the second line of defense, however I got there, I want to make sure that I have a convincing pro hop where I spike the ball, I threaten one side, and I jump and I land on 2 feet at another area on the court. So I jab this way, I land near on 2 feet, and I lob that ball up with perfect touch, no English at all, less and limited rotation so the ball dies on the rim. So as I get here, I'm here, boom, pro hop, land on 2, and I float that ball up. All right, as I land on my pro hop, I want to understand and identify the back line of help. They might see that I beat my man with the pro hop, and they might already be jumping, and I can dump off a pass. But right now, we're working on that floater. So again, I'm here, I approach my defender, boom, here, land, and I go up with my floater. I want to make sure that my floater, again, limited rotation. When I land on 2 feet. I'm not landing 1, 2. The referee might call travel. I'm getting the ball. I want it to hit, if it does hit the rim, I want it to die on the rim because I want it to fall in the net. But the perfect floater, the perfect combination is when you get away from the defender, read where the back line help is, put that ball in the air right at a perfect location, float that ball on in there.